Okay, so I was explaining this personification. When an animal or a non-living is attributed the qualities of a human being, it is called personification. Okay, I like to give some example. For example, I'm telling you that I'm writing an example. Okay, you will understand. In the intense darkness, a lamp was burning as if it is begging for its light from the darkness. Okay, so here I've given an example over here. In the intense darkness, a lamp was burning as if it is begging for its life. As it was begging for its life from the darkness. So begging is not the quality of a lamp. Lamp is a non-living thing. It never begs. Begging is the quality of a human being. A human being can beg or request. So here, to express the exact feeling or exact scenery, what type of darkness it was, and the lamp was burning, and the lamp was not, that much able to spread its light. Right? I have used this poetic device over here. That this lamp was burning in such a way that as if it was begging for its light from the darkness. Right? So I have attributed the lamp with the begging quality, that is the human being's quality. Right? So I can say that this is the perfect example of personification. The one-liner examples I will give you. The thirsty earth drank blood. Again, I'm telling you, drinking is not the quality of the earth, because the earth we consider it a non-living. But the thirsty earth is drinking blood. This is the perfect example of personification. Picture laughed at me. Picture laughed at me. Picture is a non-living thing. It never laughs. Laughing is the quality of human being. Right? So picture laughed at me. This is again the quality. This is again we can say this is the personification. So anything that will be attributed the qualities of human being, right? We can say that is the example of personification, as I have told you. Thank you. I hope you understand. Another one more very commonly used poetic device over here is called symbolism. It is a poetic device in which objects which are mentioned in the lines of the poem symbolize another objects. Sometimes poets directly does not mention what they want to mention. They use some symbolic things. For example, I can say that the rains are actually the silver threads. For rain, I am saying silver threads. So here, silver thread is symbolizing the rain. Silver threads are symbolizing the raindrops, right? And there can be many examples, right? Uh, you have heard a poem, you have read a poem in class 9. What was the name of the poem? Just a moment here. Okay, I am reading an example here. Rains are the silver threads falling from the sky. These silver threads are actually signifying the rain, symbolizing the rain. So I was telling about a poem that you have studied in class 9, The Road Not Taken. Right, in class 9th, if you are studying, then for it, you also. The Road Not Taken. Here, in The Road Not Taken, those two forests were there. The two forests were actually, the poet does not mean about those two forests. Actually, those two forests are symbolizing the two options of our life. Right? In The Road Not Taken, you must remember that two forests are mentioned. And the poet is standing at the entry point of both the forest, and he's confused. Either he should go this way or go that way. He is not able to decide quickly. Right? But being one traveler, he traveled one path. He speculated and then traveled one path. So he's trying to symbolize that sometimes in our life we are stuck at a point and we in dilemma, and we are never sure that which way we need to take. So those forests are actually not exactly the forests, but those two forests are symbolizing the options of our life, alternatives of our lives. I hope you understand that. Okay, so this is the symbolism generally commonly used. Okay, I will make one more video for the poetic devices. For here right now, I will be explaining you the rhyming scheme of a poem. You must have heard in your examinations that what is the rhyming scheme of the given poem, what is the rhyming scheme of this poem. Okay, so I will tell you how to assess the rhyming scheme of any poem. Okay, it's so easy. Okay, to understand the rhyming scheme, we need to understand the rhyming words. Rhyming words. What are rhyming words? Words which have same syllabic pattern. I will tell you with an example. For example, the word test is rhyming with the word best. Right? The word test is rhyming with the word best. So I can say these two words are rhyming words. Got the point? Bring, the word bring is rhyming with the word string. Bring, string. So such words which have got the same syllabic patterns are actually called the rhyming words. Why I have explained you this rhyming words? Because on the basis of these rhyming words, we can say that what is the rhyming scheme of a poem. I'll tell you. Suppose I am writing a poem over here. Okay, suppose that I am writing a poem here, and that poem is ending with particular words. Suppose this is the poem. I am writing rate, and another line is called, we can say, bring. Another line is great. Another line is string. Okay, here if I say that in this particular line, you see this rate has got the rhyming word with great. This word is rhyming with the word great. Suppose I say this line is A, then this line is also A, because both have got same rhyming word at the end of the line. Another type, name it B. So here bring is rhyming with the word, last word here, string. So this is B. So now see what is the rhyming scheme of the poem. Rhyming scheme of the poem is A B A B. What is the rhyming scheme of the poem? A B A B. Okay? This is one example. Okay, if I am writing the same word, same poem, if I say had it been like rate, then great, then had it been ring, and then had it been the same as string. Okay, so what can we say? That rate is rhyming with the second word, second line word, great, bring is rhyming with the string. So if it is A, then again it is A. If it is B, then again it is B. Then rhyming scheme would have been A, B, B. Okay? So you have to see the last word. You have to see the last word. And you have to calculate this rhyming word, rhyming scheme of the poem. Okay? So, for example, you take your book and you can see dust of snow. Okay? Crow is rhyming with word snow. Then A, and me is rhyming with the word tree. And this is B. The A, B. Again we have got has given my heart. So heart is rhyming with part and mood is rhyming with root. Right? So you can easily calculate it. Okay.